Hello everyone, this is Raj signing in. Hope you all are doing great. Let's get started. So, yesterday we discussed about what is stock market and what we follow for trading and what we follow for investing. That is, we spoke about fundamental analysis, technical analysis, right? So, what is the relevant for us? Technical analysis. So, for doing technical analysis, we have to analyze first of all, we have to know what is candle, what are the types of candles, and types of charts, which chart is most widely used, and how to identify candle, what we have to know while seeing the candle. Okay, we spoke yesterday regarding all this. So today let's start our discussion regarding the types of candles, right? There are a lot of types in candles generally, but we will speak very important candles only. That is very rare, commonly used candles we'll discuss today. So just let's see. So yesterday, this is the candle normal type price. If you want to say this is a bullish candle, it should be above the opening price. That is in green, right? You should call this a bearish candle if the closing is below the opening price. Then it forms a red candle. Okay. So next we'll see the type of candle is. This type of candle is called Moribozo. Moribozo. This is bullish Moribozo. This is bearish Moribozo. Moribozo means most 90% of the candle, 90 to 90% of the candle will be body only. There is no high and low. More, even though there is a high and low, it will be very small. Okay, see here, upper wick and lower wick are a bit larger. For Moribozo candle, generally there will be no wick or very small wick. Okay, yeah, without wick is very rare, but we can consider if it is a small wick also, you can consider it as a Moribozo. Okay, this complete body, 95% of the candle should covered with body. This type of candle is called Moribozo. We will see in the chart also. We identify some Moribozo candles in the chart right now, so that it will be easy, right? Yeah, here it is. See, here it seems we got Moribozo. You find Moribozo? See, this one is Moribozo, bullish Moribozo. It's coming like this. See, this one is bullish Moribozo. Anything else? This one also Moribozo candle. Okay. See, this type of candles is called, you can easily identify it, right? Sorry. See, here is a small wick. I don't know, you can see or not. Let me zoom it so that you can see it clearly. See, there is a small wick. Yes, you can consider it as a Moribozo. Very rare candles without wick, without wick, without wick. See, this is a bearish Moribozo. This one. Like this, the candle formed complete 90 to 95% of the body means it's called Moribozo type of candle. It is a strong bullish candle, bearish candle. This one, If it's found in the green color, it's called a bullish. Okay, now you can identify Morphoso candles very easily, right? Okay, let's start with the discussion. Where is it? Array? So we learned about Morphoso candle. Let's go to the next type of candle now. Next type of candle is the hammer candle. Hammer candle represents, it may be green or red. It's no issue actually. The upper part is a small body and a long lower wick. This is the lower wick, right? If you have a long lower wick and a small body at the top is called hammer candle. It's a bullish candle, right? Even though here red color, it is bullish candle because here buying pressure is more. See how it formed is, let's check. Generally this candle opened here. Okay, let me open here, go down, go, and it heavily rejected from here and it again came upside and closed here. So it formed a, this is the closing price and this is the opening price. Okay, see he opened here, went up and came down all the way, and from here it heavily rejected. That means a lot of buyers are here. So it rejected and went up and closed here finally. So it formed a longer wick in the downside. If the longer wick in the downside means this all our buyers are there here. So this is a strong bullish candle. Wherever you find hammer candle, you should not try to sell there. Okay. Next type of candle is a shooting star. Let's see hammer and shooting star at the same time in the chart. So I'm explaining this the whiteboard shooting star also right now. So this one is shooting star. You can also call inverted hammer. Generally hammer is formed at the bottom. Then only you consider it. Shooting star will be formed at the top. I will show the in patterns. Okay, shooting star means it had a longer wick upside and a body, small body. This color may be red or green. You can consider as a shooting star, but it should be small. Okay, this is called shooting star. This is the bearish candle. Next, we'll see another type of candle also, and we'll go to the chart. Okay. Next is doji. Doji means you have wick, upper wick and lower wick also, and in the middle very small body or without, very small. You can consider very small also. Okay, this is a doji. Very small or almost closing and opening is very near. This type of candle is called doji. This candlestick generally used. This candlestick generally formed at trend reversals. That means we will discuss about the trends after this so that you can understand better there. Okay, so let's check this hammer, shooting star and doji in the chart once so that it will be easier. Okay. So what I'm checking, right? First we'll find for I'll search for a hammer, right? See in chart you will not find exactly. So your eyes should be very sharp. See, we found a dozy here. Okay, so this one. Doji is not a bullish candle, not a bearish candle. You can consider it as a neutral actually. If the trend is coming upside, it may reverse also. Okay, so don't think it's a bullish or bearish, right? So this is a doji type of candle. See, this is, you can consider as a hammer. See, lower wick is very high, small body, and there's also upper wick, but it should not be there. Okay, you can consider, but in chart it will not form exactly, so you can consider it as a hammer. It should not be layer, it should be very small, so that it will be perfect hammer. Here a bit larger wick is there. See, this one also you can consider as a hammer. See, we found a shooting star here. Very nice, very good, very good. This is the best shooting star. See how perfectly it formed. Larger wick upside, a smaller body downside. It may be red, it may be green. It's a bearish candle because there is a high selling pressure here. So that's why it's a wick formed upper side. Bigger wick formed means it indicates high selling pressure actually. See, from here the market fell. How it fell. Okay, we have seen that hammer, shooting star, dozy. Generally, remember one thing: you have to consider shooting star generally at the top. See, from here. See, all the way down it came here and it formed a shooting star here and came down. Okay, you will consider shooting star if it formed at the top. If it formed at the bottom, you will not consider a shooting star. Okay, okay, so these are the most important types of candles. Now let's discuss about the, let me check how much is so I hope everyone is getting right. So now what we discuss, this is the, let's identify Morobozo candle. This is the Morobozo candle. This is the bearish Morobozo candle. Try to practice on the chart. Open the trading view and practice as many charts as possible. Check the different type of candles. What is bullish candle? What is bearish candle? So let's discuss here itself what is the time frame. Okay, generally we are up to now we checked in the daily time frame, right? Here it is, each candle represents one day. You can change the time frame here. See here, day is there now. See, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 1 day, 1 week. 1 week means this is a 1 day candle. Like this, 5 candles, 1 week candles completely forms into one candle. See, Tuesday, 2nd May, Monday, 8th May. See, Every week it's forming one candle only. 1 week time frame. Till now we saw 1 day time frame. Here you see one candle per day. That is it. Yeah. This is a day candle. See, this is 28th, 27, 25, 26 maybe holiday, right? 24, 21. This is the Saturday, Sunday holiday. 20. Like this daily one candle. If you take the smaller time frame, there will be, it will show hourly candle also, 30 minutes candle also, 50 minutes candle also, 5 minutes candle also. Okay, I'll tell you what is the difference between the time frame when should be used. Okay, generally if you are investing, I mean if you are taking a trade for long time, you will use longer time frame, that means higher time frame. If you are taking the short trades, you have to check the chart in the shorter time frame. Okay, after discussing the trends in the market, we also discuss types of trades like swing trading, scalping, intraday trading, PTSD. We all discuss in